Hello.
Hey Gary. What's up?
I haven't talked to you in a long time. What's been happening?
Well, I don't know if you heard, I just moved into a new apartment in Louisiana.
No, I heard you were thinking about moving, but I didn't know you'd already found a place. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm really happy about it.
Do you have any roommates?
No, not this time. It's a big change for me 'cause I've never lived alone.
Don't you think you'll be lonely?
Not really, I have two friends who live in the same building. We all had dinner together last night.
Are they students also?
No, they're not students, but there are a lot of students living in the building.
Sounds like a nice place.
Yeah, I think it's a good environment for learning English.
Well, I'm glad to hear everything worked out.
You should come out here and visit me sometime. There's even a pool.
That would be nice. I'll think about it.
Justin, have you found a girlfriend yet?
No, not yet.
What about Jenny?
She has a boyfriend.
Oh, I thought they broke up.
No, they're still together.
How about that girl from work you were telling me about last year?
Who, Emily? She's married now. She got married last month.
I see. It seems like everyone our age is married.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Is there anyone you're interested in?
There is one girl I like who lives in my building. I talk to her a lot, because she's also studying English.
What's she like?
She's really nice. She moved here from Texas about 3 months ago.
What does she do?
She's an accountant.
That's a good job. She must be really smart. Have you asked her out yet?
Actually, we're going to dinner on Friday.
Good luck. Hi Jason, sorry to bother you. I have a question for you.
Okay, what's up?
I've been having a problem with my computer. I know you're an engineer, so I thought you might be able to help me.
I see. What's the problem?
I have a file that I can't open for some reason.
What type of file is it?
It's a Word document I've been working on. I need to finish it by tomorrow.
Were you able to open it before, on the computer you're using now?
Yes, I was working on it last night and everything was fine, but this morning I couldn't open the file.
Do you think your computer might have a virus?
No, I checked and there weren't any.
Okay, I'm not sure what's wrong. If it's possible, email the file to me and I'll see if I can get it to open.
Okay, I'll do that when I get home. Are you going to be around tonight?
Yeah, I'll be home after 8 p.m. Send it to me when you get a chance, and I'll call you later.
Hi George, do you know how to get downtown?
Sure. Why are you going there?
I want to buy a new computer.
Okay, are you driving?
Yes.
Go straight down this road. When you get to the second light, take a left. Then get on the highway and take exit 52.
That sounds really complicated. Can you tell me again? Which road do I take first?
You go down this road, then at the second light, turn left. That road is Main Street.
Okay, I think I've got it now.
Why are you buying a new computer anyway? Didn't you just get one a few months ago?
Yes, but it doesn't work anymore.
Where did you buy it?
At Walmart.
I think your computer should still be under warranty. You can bring it back to them and they'll fix it for free.
I think you're right. I didn't think about that. I should go talk to them about it. Where is the closest Walmart?
It's about 2 blocks from here. I have to go there to get some stuff now anyway. Do you want to follow me?
Sure. John, did you see the news today?
No, what happened?
There was a big earthquake in San Diego.
Oh my goodness.
The president was on the news talking about it earlier.
Was anyone hurt?
I think they said 2 people were killed.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, I can't believe you hadn't heard about it. They were talking about it on CNN all day.
Oh, I don't watch TV that often.
Don't you watch the news?
No, I usually read the news online, but I haven't had time to turn on my computer today.
What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball. I watch the games on TV all the time.
Who's your favorite team?
The Boston Celtics.
They really good this year, aren't they?
Yes. Do you like them?
Yes. Everyone around here does.
Do you think they'll win the championship this year?
It's possible. They have some really good players.
Did you watch the game last night?
A little, not the whole thing. I watched the second half, though, and I saw some of the highlights online.
It was a great game, wasn't it?
Yeah. Do you know who they're playing tomorrow night?
I think they're playing Louisiana.
That's going to be a tough game. LA has a good team.
Group of symbols. Hi Liz. Are you working on your webpage now?
No, I'm still waiting for you to send me that image file for the homepage.
You mean you didn't get it? I sent it to you over an hour ago.
Let me check. It's going to take a second, 'cause I have to start up my computer.
Okay, did you get it?
1 second. I just have to open my web browser and check my Hotmail account.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. I got it.
How do I find the webpage? I tried to search for it on Yahoo, but I couldn't find it.
Don't use Yahoo, use Google.
I tried that also and it didn't work.
If you go to Google and search for my name, you should be able to find it.
Okay, let me try that. I see it now.
Hey Michael, I'm tired. Would you mind driving for a while?
Sorry. I would like to, but I don't know how to drive.
Really? You don't have a license? I thought everyone had a license.
No, I've lived in cities all my life, and when I'm at home I usually take the subway or bus.
I see. Do you think you'll learn to drive in the future?
Yes. I plan to buy a car next year. I think you need one in the US.
Actually, now that I think about it, a lot of people in cities here take the bus also.
Well, I'd like to travel more. I've been here for a few months already and I feel like I haven't seen anything yet.
How are you going to learn to drive? Do you want me to teach you?
No, I wouldn't want to trouble you. I've already signed up for a class near my house. It starts next month.
Thomas, your English is so good. How did you learn it?
Well, in my country everyone has to take English starting in the first grade. I've been taking English courses for 12 years now.
Wow, that's interesting. I remember when we took that trip last year and visited your family. It seemed like there weren't many people that could speak with me in English.
Oh, that's because they don't speak English that much.
But they speak it in school, right? Maybe they just didn't like me so they didn't want to talk to me.
No, actually they liked you a lot. They told me they thought you were very nice. They are just shy. They're not used to talking with foreigners. I remember when I first came to the US. I was really nervous about speaking with people.
I see. I thought there were lots of Americans teaching English in your country.
Yes, that's true. There are probably twice as many now as there were 5 years ago, but they are mostly in the cities. My family lives in the country.
I wonder why. Personally, I prefer the country to the city. It's so quiet and peaceful. If I were to teach, I would want to teach in the country.
Do you think you would want to teach someday? I know the schools around my town are looking for teachers, so if you want, I can call them and get more information.
No, I don't think so. I would need to stay there for a year, and I don't think I can take that much time off work.
Well, if you changed your mind, let me know. I think you would be a really great teacher.
Martin, who are you going to vote for?
You mean for president?
Yes.
I'm not sure yet.
You should make up your mind soon. The election is next month.
Yes, I know. I hear about it every day on the news.
I'm going to vote for Obama.
I think he is a good choice, but I think McCain would make a good president also.
I know. They're both good. It's hard to decide. McCain is older but he has more experience. Obama seems to have a lot of good ideas, but some people say he wants to raise taxes.
I heard he wants to lower taxes. It's hard to know what the truth is. That's the reason I really don't pay attention to politics.
Yes, it can be frustrating, but it's important and it's interesting to watch. Hey John, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I wanted to let you know about a book club I joined a couple months ago. I know you do a lot of reading, so I thought you might want to come with me next month.
Oh, that sounds like fun. When does the group meet?
Usually the last Saturday of the month at 9:30 in the evening. Is that too late for you?
No, I think that's okay. What do you talk about in the group?
Well, every month we choose a new book and then during the next meeting we discuss it.
What book are you reading now?
The Kite Runner.
I've heard that's a good book. What's it about?
It is a good book. I'm almost finished. The book is about a boy who grows up in Afghanistan during the 1980s. It's called The Kite Runner because the main character takes part in a kite flying competition.
That sounds really interesting. I'd love to come.
Okay, great. The next meeting isn't for another 2 weeks, so you still have time to read the book.